Class 6 SOF NSO 2020-24 to 25 set A previous year question paper solved. Science question number 31. Refer to the given diagram. What will happen if air is blown through the rubber hose into the inverted glass? The water level in the inverted glass will decrease because as the air blown will occupy the space in the inverted glass by displacing water. Science question number 32. Identify plants W, X, Y and Z from the given figure and select the correct option that correctly identifies its characteristics. Here W is grapevine, X is pumpkin, Y is rose plant and Z is onion. According to this, the correct option is the D option, which is in Z, stem is modified to form bulb that consists of large number of fleshy leaves which stores food. Science question number 33. Which of the following statements are true about acid rain? Acid rain has harmful effect on living beings. Yes, this is true. Acid rain mainly comprises of H2SO4 and HNO3. Yes, this is also true. Acid rain causes damage to the ozone layer. This is false. Acid rain and ozone layer do not have anything in common. Acid rain causes damage to buildings and monuments. Yes, this is also true. So the correct option is the D option. Science question number 34. Select the option that correctly completes the given analogies. First one, energy giving food rice. Bodybuilding food has to be proteins. So egg and beans. Second one, animal fat butter. Vegetable fat whey. Coconut or mustard oil. Simple carbohydrates is glucose and complex carbohydrates is starch. So the correct option is the B option. Science question number 35. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. All mammals, birds, reptiles and some aquatic animals breathe through lungs. Breathe through spiracles is insects, beetles, ants, grasshopper, butterflies. Arachnids, spiders and scorpions. Myriapods, centipedes and millipedes. Amphibians like frogs, salamander, newts and earthworms breathe through moist skin. So according to this, the correct option is the A option. Science question number 36. Which of the following statement is correct? All aquatic animals breathe through respiratory organs called gills. Whales, dolphins and seals are aquatic, but they are mammal, not fish. They breathe air using lungs and have to surface to inhale oxygen. Animals like amphibians, frogs and salamanders can absorb oxygen through their skin when in water. So the A option is false. Air does not have energy or weight. Wrong. Air has energy and has mass. C. Air mainly contains nitrogen, which is an important component of proteins. Yes, this is true. Chlorine present in chlorofluorocarbons split the ozone to form carbon dioxide, which causes global warming. Chlorine present in chlorofluorocarbons split the ozone to form oxygen, not carbon dioxide. So this is false. Science question number 37. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. The body of a fish is streamlined, therefore tapered at both the ends. This is true. Statement 2. Streamlined body enables fish to reduce friction in water while swimming. Yes, this is also true. So both the statements are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Science question number 38. Identify the monuments shown in the given figure X, Y and Z and select the correct statement regarding them. X is Taj Mahal, designed by Persian architect Ustan Ahmed Lahari, situated on the banks of the Yamuna river, made of white marble with red sandstone structures around it. Y is Gateway of India. The Gateway of India was built by the British, designed by Scottish architect George Wright. Z. The Konark Sun Temple was built by King Narasimha Deva I and is made up of condylite, laterite and chlorite stones. So the correct answer is the B option. Science question number 39. Identify parts of the brain X and Y from the given information and select the correct statement regarding them. X helps to maintain balance and posture and Y controls our memory and learning abilities. X is the cerebellum, which helps maintain balance and posture and also controls coordination and fine motor skills. Y is cerebrum, controls memory, learning, thinking, and voluntary actions. So the correct option is the C option. Science question number 40. Soil pollution is caused by, first option, carbon monoxide released from vehicles and factories. Wrong, because it is air pollution, not soil pollution. Building embankments along the river banks. No, it prevents soil erosion. 3. Increases the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This is also wrong. It is about air pollution. 4th, spraying of chemical pesticides and fertilizers on crops. Yes, this is true. So the correct option is the C option. Science question number 41. Which among the following is an example of incomplete flower? Mulberry has unisexual flowers, either male or female. So they're incomplete because they either lack stamens or pistils. So the correct option is the A option. Science question number 42. Read the given statements regarding water purification methods followed by 3 friends and select the option that correctly identifies X, Y, and Z. Sudha purifies water at home using method X, where she simply heats the water to kill the germs present in it. Then she cools it, filters, and stores the water for consumption. This is the method boiling. Shivani uses a water purifier which works by the process of Y for the purification of water. This is reverse osmosis. Shruti purifies water using method Z, in which she adds few tablets into the water to kill germs. This is chlorination. The correct option which identifies X, Y, and Z is the D option. Science question number 43. Read the given paragraph and select the option that correctly fills the blanks X, Y, and Z. Plants like X reproduce through their leaves. Non-flowering plants like mosses reproduce through Y. Plants like bougainvillea give rise to new plant from Z. X can be bryophyllum and Y is spores. Z is stem cutting. So the correct option is the D option. Science question number 44. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option which correctly identifies X and Y. X is a simple leaf with parallel venation. Y is a simple leaf with reticulate venation. Therefore, the correct option is the A option. Science question number 45. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies them as true and false ones. 1. Presence of complex carbohydrates in a food sample can be tested by using copper sulfate solution and caustic soda. Presence of complex carbon dioxide in a food sample can be tested by using iodine solution. So this is false. 2. Hyponatremia is caused by the deficiency of iron in diet. Hyponatremia is a condition where the sodium level in the blood is too low. Anemia is caused due to iron deficiency. So this is also false. 3. Unsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature, whereas saturated fats are solid at room temperature. Butter, ghee, cheese, and coconut oil are actually saturated fats. They are usually solid at room temperature. Oils like olive oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, avocado oil, and fish oil are unsaturated fats, which means that they are typically liquid at room temperature. So this is true. 4th, diet rich in fruits, vegetables help to add bulk to the undigested food. Yes, this is also true. Correct option is the B option. Achiever section question number 46. Odometer of a car measures the total distance travelled by the car. Ria looks at her odometer at 2 instances while driving as shown in the given figure. The diameter of the wheels of the vehicle is 77 cm. What is the average number of revolutions completed by each wheel in 1 minute? Total time she travelled is equal to 4 hours. Distance she travelled is equal to 363 kilometers. So in 4 hours she travelled 363 kilometers. Therefore for 1 hour she will travel 363 by 4 kilometers. And therefore for 1 minute she will travel 363 by 4 into 60, which is equal to 1,51,250 centimeters. Circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 242 centimeter. Now number of revolution completed in 1 minute is equal to 625. Therefore the correct answer is the D option. Achiever section question number 47. Read the given paragraph where few words have been italicized and select the correct option regarding them. Air is present all around us. It is usually transparent and odorless. Air expands on heating. We use compressed air for inflating tires. Slow moving wind is called breeze and its speed is measured with the help of a device called anemometer. So the correct option is the B option. Science question number 48. Refer to the given table showing nutrient deficiency symptoms of 4 students T, U, V and W. Identify the deficiency disease and select the option suggesting the diet that they should consume. Student T should consume protein-rich food, while student U should consume food rich in vitamin E. Student V should consume food rich in vitamin C and W should consume food rich in vitamin D. So the correct option is the A option. Science question number 49. Refer to the given graph showing average temperature of 3 different habitats P, Q and R. Identify the habitats P, Q and R and select the incorrect statement regarding the habitats shown by the animals living there. According to the given graph, we can say that P with a temperature of minus 20 degrees Celsius represents a polar region, Q around 50 degrees Celsius represents a desert region and R around 30 degrees Celsius represents a tropical region. In the A option, animals living at P may have small ears and tails to minimize heat loss, where animals living at R may be able to show mimicry. Yes, this is true. B option, animals living at Q may hibernate or migrate during summers, whereas animals living at P may ativate during winters. Animals living at Q may ativate during summers, whereas animals living at P might hibernate during winters. So this is false. Animals living at P may have thick layer of fat under their skin, whereas animals living at Q may excrete very little urine to reduce water loss from their body. Yes, this is true. Animals living at R may be able to camouflage, whereas animals living at P may have padded feet for walking. Yes, this is also true. So the incorrect option is the B option. Achiever section question number 50. Fill in the blanks in the given table by selecting an appropriate option. First, let us take sand and sugar because it's easier. The method of separation should be filtration and evaporation, but in the B option, they've given it as sieving, so we can exclude the B option. Next, we can take husk and grains, which is separated by winnowing, but in the C option, it is giving as sieving, so C option also can be excluded. If we take option 2, both kerosene and water, coconut oil and water are heterogeneous mixture and can be separated by filtration. So, as we cannot do anything to this, go to the next fourth option. So, according to the fourth option, we can use filtration to separate husk and water. The correct option is the option D. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.